Hi, this is Jang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a running board accessory that's a perfect match for your Cybertruck. I usually keep the air suspension on the medium setting, and sometimes it was a bit inconvenient getting out of the car. It lowers automatically when you park, but you have to wait a few seconds. And if you just get out, it's a bit high, so I had to kind of slide off the seat. Especially when the air suspension is set to the highest setting, it's tough to get in and out, even if you're tall. When my wife wears a skirt, she has to jump to get in. So today, I'm going to install this running board that Cybergear sent me. Before installation, find a flat surface and raise the air suspension to the maximum. This will give you much easier access to the underbody. The running board comes in one piece, so the box is pretty long. Let's start unboxing. When you open the box, all the parts are nicely packaged inside. The smaller boxes contain 2 brackets each, and one of them has the instructions, bolts, nuts, washers, and the installation tool. There are a total of 10 brackets, 5 for each side. They look really thick and sturdy. They're also coated so they don't look like they'll rust easily. The running board itself was also well packaged in thick plastic inside the box, and it arrived without any scratches or dents. If you go to the Cybergear website, there are 2 styles of running boards, but I chose this model. It has almost no gaps, and the triangular grips are raised, so even if your shoes have dirt, they'll grip well and prevent slipping. Personally, I would have preferred a design with no holes at all, but this one has a Cybertruck logo in the middle with an indented design for added detail. The surface also has a slightly textured coating, so you don't have to worry about slipping easily. If you flip it over, you can see the bracket mounting points. We're going to install the lower brackets. If you have a mat or something similar, spread it out first. It'll be a lot more comfortable and keep things cleaner. If you look closely under the body, you'll see holes where you can insert the bolts. This is how you attach the brackets. First, put the locking washer and flat washer on the bolt in that order, then attach the bracket to the body. The bracket has 2 long holes, and when installing on the driver's side, insert the bolt into the hole marked R. You might need to adjust the position of the running board later, so for now, just loosely tighten the bolts. Attach the remaining brackets in the same way. I've loosely installed all 5 brackets. Now, place the running board on top of the brackets. If you look underneath, you'll see that you use 2 bolts per bracket to secure it to the running board. You'll need to put the washers on these bolts in the same way as before. Once you've inserted all the bolts, align the running board properly and then fully tighten them. One side is now complete. The running board is made of carbon steel and is said to support up to 600 pounds. It should easily hold 2 or 3 adults, so it's pretty sturdy. The suspension is currently at its highest setting, and now I can just step on the running board to get in, which is so much more convenient. The other side is installed in the same way, but there's one difference. When installing the brackets on the passenger side, you need to insert the bolt into the hole marked L. Place the running board on the brackets and insert all the bolts. Once everything is aligned, tighten them all the way. And that's it. Installation is complete. It looks very solid and fits the Cybertruck style really well. From the front, it sticks out a tiny bit, but it's not very heavy, so I don't think it will significantly affect aerodynamics. With the running board, I can now easily reach the roof without opening the car door, which will be much more convenient for washing the car or when camping. It took over an hour to install while filming, but if you're doing it yourself without filming, it should take about 15 minutes per side. And one more tip, the running board sits right against the plastic cover on the side, so it's a good idea to wash before you start the installation. I'll be introducing more useful accessories in the future, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!